In this video, I'll show you how to use Update section in Monday.com. Start by opening the board that contains the task or item you want to work on. Once the board loads, click the item or task you want to open. A side panel or item window will appear. Inside this panel, look for the Updates section. This works like a conversation thread connected specifically to that task. Click inside the text area to type an update or message. You can use updates to share progress, ask questions, leave instructions, or communicate with team members about the task. For example, you can type, "Please make a report by Friday." If you want to notify someone directly, type the @ symbol and followed by their name. This will tag the person and usually send them a notification. You can also upload files inside the update section by clicking the attachment or file upload icon. This is useful for sharing documents, screenshots, or project assets related to the task. As more updates are added, the conversation history stays attached to them, making it easier to track communication over time. And that's how to use the update section in Monday.com.